Hi people! Today I'm gonna share with you this amazing mask for face. Well, before we start, let's talk about the benefits of turmeric on the skin. For hundreds of years, people around the world have linked turmeric to healing properties and cosmetic benefits. The bright yellow orange spice is related to ginger. It's available as a ground spice or in supplements and other beauty and dermatology products. Turmeric gets its health benefits primarily because of curcumin. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Modern scientific research is just beginning to study the positive impact of turmeric, but many believe it has several beneficial uses for the skin. Reduced inflammation. Curcuminoids, the active compounds in turmeric, are sometimes used to decrease inflammation in arthritis. These potential anti-inflammatory effects could possibly help your skin too. Antibacterial potential. Turmeric may also treat and prevent bacteria in the skin that can otherwise contribute to acne, cysts, and staph infections. Any active infections should be looked at by a doctor first. Acne treatment. With its anti-inflammatory potential, turmeric may be helpful in treating inflammatory acne. The extract may also reduce the appearance of acne scars. Antioxidant power. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, trusted source when it comes to skin care. Antioxidants can help keep free radicals from destroying healthy cells. This may prevent the onset of hyperpigmentation, scars, and other long-term skin concerns. Wrinkle treatment. Studies trusted sources have suggested turmeric as a possible treatment for fine lines and wrinkles. It may work to improve overall appearance in skin texture, which in turn may make wrinkles less noticeable. For the recipe, all you need is 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of yogurt. Mix well and apply it on your face for about 20 minutes. And rinse with warm water. Try it 1 time a week will give you an amazing result. When applied to the skin, turmeric can temporarily stain the skin or leave a yellow residue. This is normal, but if you are allergic, direct skin contact can cause irritation, redness, and swelling. Test turmeric on your forearm, applying a dime-sized amount and waiting 24 to 48 hours to see if you react before using on your face. Don't use turmeric on your skin if you are allergic to the spice in food. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.